For the past 4 years, the Maine Department of Transportation and other agencies have been working on a project involving the construction of an offshore wind port near Sears Island.
Since the project was proposed, leaders with several conservation groups have voiced their criticisms. Now they say they're having issues with a lack of transparency from the Maine Department of Transportation about the project. News Center Maine's Drew Peters has the details.
Members of Friends of Sears Island and the Alliance of Sears Island say they were given no prior notice about Maine DOT work recently being done and were surprised to find a group of workers boring trees on the island. Vice President of Friends of Sears Island, Rolf Olson, says during his time working with Maine DOT on the Sears Island Windport project, the agency has made getting information about work being done easy.
And he included a diagram of where the work would be done, a description of what would happen.
But Olson says they were not notified about the newest round of work being done.
When I tried to follow up and ask for the permitting applications as I did before, I didn't hear anything.
Maine DOT Director of Communications Paul Merrill says that the lack of initial response came from the fact a member of the project who had the documents was out sick, and those documents were shared within a week of the request. But as stakeholders and land stewards that maintain the conservation parts of the island, Olson says they have a right to know about the work going on and have many locals that rely on the nonprofit for any information regarding the island.
They expect us to know the answer, and if they don't tell us what's happening, we don't know.
Along with not being able to notify visitors, Jill Howell with the Alliance for Sears Island says the geotechnical work that's being done involves drilling holes and clearing areas of forest which, according to her, can disrupt the island's fragile ecosystem.
At the drilling locations, a 25-foot diameter circle is being cleared. And there's also heavy equipment being tracked out.
The Maine DOT was recently not chosen to be awarded a more than $400 million grant for the project, but Merrill says the department is still continuing to look for other funding opportunities. Writing in a statement, the state of Maine continues to strongly believe that offshore wind presents a transformational opportunity to strengthen our economy, create good-paying jobs, and embrace clean energy from our own backyard. Both conservation groups say they're going to continue monitoring the geotechnical work being done by Maine DOT on the island. In Searsport, Drew Peters, News Center Maine.